This is the Ford F-150 13th generation 2015-2020, and if you need to replace the cabin air filter, the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box in these cars, and it's not that easy to get to, but it's still doable as a DIY job. So what you need to do, you need to open the glove box first, then take out everything, because you will need to lower the glove box, and if you lower it with the things inside, they will just fall on the floor, and then you will find them under the seat. So just take out everything, and the first step is to disengage this like spring, strut, whatever you call it. So you need to press on this side and move it up a little bit. It disengages from the lock here on that side, and you just take it out and move it out all the way. So now the next step is to lower the glove box. It has two rubber stoppers, rubber holders here. You need to push the side of the glove box a little bit inside and do the same here. And as you see, everything fell on the floor, as I said. Now you can already see the box with the filter, but unfortunately in this generation of the vehicles it's impossible to get to this box without disassembling some more trim. And the first thing to take out is this rubber part. So you need to just take it out with your fingers. In this car, it's 2018, it's easy. There were some other model years and it was quite hard to get to these bolts. And now you have two bolts holding this plastic cover here. There are clips, but also before you disengage the clips, you need to unscrew two bolts. I will use my screwdriver and a 7mm socket for doing this. Here are the bolts. So now this thing sits on several clips, and you need to pull it on this side, because if you pull it on this side firmly, you can damage the wiring connector for the thing. So pull it on this side. You may need to use some force actually to disengage this clip. Yeah, and now you see the connector. You don't need to disconnect it, just lower the thing. Now you have access to the air filter. So the air filter box has this lock here on this side. You need to move your finger there underneath and just open the cover. Now you have access to the filter. In my case it's pretty dirty, but unfortunately I don't have a replacement, so I'll just clean it and probably buy a replacement and replace it the next time I'm here. So in this case, this is an aftermarket filter and I don't have any arrows, so I believe it doesn't matter much what side I install this filter. Let's just make sure it sits all the way down. Now this cover, you see it has two latches on both sides and two kind of guides, plastic guides. And so in order to install this cover back, you will need to place these lower guides, plastic guides, here and here. And this will help you understand that your cover is in the right position, and then you just press it till both locks click, and that's all. Now check that it sits properly tight, and now you need to put back the thing. Be careful, because this connector is easy to disconnect or damage the wiring. So just put it back and then press firmly on all sides, on this side and on this side, to engage the clips. And now as you see, it perfectly aligns with the bolt holes. Just need to screw them back don't push too hard because the places always bother not like from A. Here they are, sitting in their places. Now you have this rubber thing here. It's not that hard in this, again, in this kind of generation. It's very easy to put in place. But in older, in pre-2018 model years, it was a pain in the neck actually to work with. So now the glove box, make sure this thing is here and you don't lose it, because it easily disengages and then falls out, and you find it somewhere there near the control modules. So what you need to do, you need to take the glove box up. Now it has two stoppers, as you remember, and you need to pay attention to the right stopper first. So you need to take it out and then press. Just below that stopper you have this place where you need to press with your finger, and the stopper will move inwards a little bit. Now keep holding the glove box and move to this stopper. Push it in a little bit and the glove box is in. And now the last thing is this holder strut. People call it different ways. So you need to align it with this hole. Insert it and then push to lock it in place, and that's all. So now the glove box is in place and you have the new filter installed, and you probably spent about 7 minutes on that. Don't forget to put all the things back in the glove box. This is how it works in the Ford F-150 13th generation.